Alright guys, on today's video we're going to do something a little different. Not very good at these unboxing videos, but a video is a video, right? So, what I have before me right here is the new 14-inch, 1TB M1 Pro chip MacBook Pro. Just came out on the 26th. It's the 28th. Best Buy finally got it to me, and we're just going to do a quick unboxing video, and then there'll be another video following up of the difference between my 2016 MacBook and my 2021 MacBook. Pretty much what sold me on this is that this is the refresh, this is the new design. The chip hands down outperforms what I've been using, and I needed an upgrade for all the video editing and everything else that I do on this computer. So it's time to upgrade, and this is the unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoy. Which, I'm not very good at unboxing videos either. There's a tab here. Oh. So that pulls. Oh, that's kind of nifty. And you see here we got the MacBook Pro. What we have here is a 14-inch MacBook Pro, and it has a I'm not a very techie guy, so if you want a techie video, there's a million tech channels out there. I'd watch theirs. This is just a car guy slash do a few other things. Unboxing a MacBook. You've been warned. 14-inch MacBook Pro has a little tab here. Okay. Okay. Oh, no, they didn't last very long. Alright, so it said to pull the tab there. And we'll get the plastic off here. Probably don't even need a knife. It is Apple, just comes with, it's a nice box. Has a little pull tab here. Cool. So you have your computer. Have your new MagSafe charger. I'm glad they brought that back finally. Looks like paperwork. I mean, I thought everything was online nowadays. So yeah, just a little bit of paperwork here. And your charger. And a lot of airspace in the box. Pretty standard Apple stuff. So inside this little booklet is a couple Apple stickers. So inside you have this booklet. It pretty much just says, welcome to your new MacBook Pro. Shows you a Touch ID power button. Okay, interesting. Ooh, they brought back, what? So we got a headphone jack, the MagSafe 3, and Thunderbolt 4 USB-C. We got two, appears to be on the left side. We have one Thunderbolt port on the right side, plus we got HDMI cable back. Something I missed, they had to run a Thunderbolt 3 hub. And we got the SDXC card reader back in the side. A FaceTime HD camera, the menu bar, control bar, cool. Already knew about most of that. And what else is in here? Anything? Or is it just a fancy designed by Apple, California? Yep, just a lot of fancy boxing. Charger, your new MagPort 3 or MagSafe 3 cord, But once you get out of the box, it is a different size as well. It's more edgy, damn, a lot heavier than my other one. Okay. And of course, came with stickers. That's pretty much all the unboxing video, guys. If you guys want to know how I feel about it, I'll put another video up. But I just turned it on and this screen is insane. So this is a 14-inch MacBook. That was a short unboxing video, guys. If you guys are still here with me, this is, I just turned it on. Yes, English. I don't know if I want to migrate. So that's my other big debate. Right now I have two external hard drives going on and some other stuff going on my other computer, because as you guys know, Final Cut takes up a lot of space, and I had to get it reworked to where I put it all on external. But that's the other reason for this, is this computer is supposed to run Final Cut and Adobe a million times faster than, but you guys gotta remember, I mean, my computer is from 2016, so I've definitely got my money's worth out of it. That's my other big debate, Apple versus PC. I've had my MacBook since 16, and I use it, and I just update it with the latest, you know, ISO software. I believe, don't butcher me for saying that the way I did, but it does the job. And I've watched multiple people I know that are just huge PC lovers. It seems like they can't keep a computer more than a year or two, and they're spending $1,000 a pop. Well, pretty sure I paid brand new, I want to say $1,800 for the old MacBook. And yeah, I just spent, after taxes and everything, and Apple Care and all that good stuff, I believe the total came in right around 28 for this 1 terabyte one. But I'll have this computer probably until 2025. So if you do the math, I mean, I'm not replacing a computer every year for $1,000 or a couple $100 and going through PCs left and right. MacBook's the way to go, and it's an Apple product, and I'm just used to Apple at this point, and ISO software, I guess, like, hopefully that's the way you say it. But I'm over here. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. Subscribe button over here. Check out the other more non-techie related videos over here. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Do whatever you want to do. See you guys on the next one.